Hello my friends, and welcome back to The Vegan Wannabe. In this video, I wanted to show you 3 quick and inexpensive meals that I ate when I was a student in college. They require only a few ingredients and minimal cooking, so I hope you enjoy. The first meal is peanut noodles. I definitely ate an unhealthy amount of these noodles my senior year, especially when I had a lot of studying to do and needed something fast. So all I do is cook ramen noodles. Then in a bowl, combine peanut butter, sesame oil, and by the way, the sesame oil I'm using is one that I won in an Instagram giveaway. Thank you so much to Pura Collective for sending this to me. I'm also adding veggie bouillon paste, soy sauce, and sriracha, then mixing. It's fine if the sauce isn't completely smooth because the warm noodles will help to melt everything together, but you can add a splash of water if needed. I know this is nothing fancy, but this was seriously my go-to meal because it's so cheap and easy. It got me through many long nights of studying. Mix everything up, then top with your favorite veggies. I did red bell pepper all the time, honestly, because it seemed like it was a veggie that was always on sale. Then cilantro and green onion because I add that to everything. Add some fresh lime juice, mix again, and you are ready to eat. The second meal I'd always eat and still do are sushi bowls. These bowls are so easy because the only thing you're really cooking is the rice, and if you have a rice cooker, which I highly recommend you get, then this requires so little effort. While the rice was cooking, I used a veggie peeler to make carrot ribbons, and this saves so much time. I also cut up some cucumber, avocado, and tofu. For the sauce, you can do plain soy sauce, or you can make it more of a dressing by adding sesame oil, rice vinegar, and green onions. After test tasting it, I felt like it needed more soy sauce because I used a little too much sesame oil. I've learned that a little bit of this particular brand goes a long way because it's such a high quality and pure oil. I love it. Now I'm just putting everything into a bowl along with some nori that I cut into smaller flakes. I of course had to make this extra cute for the video, so I added a pickled ginger rose and sesame seeds, but that's totally optional. There are so many different veggies you can add to your bowls, such as cabbage or edamame. When I was in school, I liked to pick just a few veggies to keep it simple, but customize with whatever veggies you love or are on sale. The third meal is a jackfruit burrito bowl, kind of like a DIY, simple, healthy version of Chipotle. These bowls are so satisfying. You can use plain rice, but if you want quick, flavored rice, it's really easy to do. I start by frying some leftover rice on low heat and then adding a splash of veggie broth. I also add salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, a little more veggie broth, and that's it. I used to buy this jackfruit before I lived in an area with a Trader Joe's who actually sells a canned green jackfruit for much cheaper. Anyways, these are easy if you need something quick, you just warm it up and serve. I also added canned baked beans, pico de gallo, and guacamole. Now, I understand that if you're a student, depending on what your budget is, you might not spend on things like the jackfruit because I was the same way. But every once in a while, it's nice to treat yourself, especially if the other things on your plate are relatively cheap, like rice and beans. At least that's how I justify spending a little extra sometimes. I still love to eat these bowls, and Ohia, my boyfriend / taste tester, approves too. This was his favorite meal out of the 3 for sure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked these ideas and will try them out. If you do, be sure to tag me on Instagram and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Have an amazing day, and I love you all. Bye!